friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the review of the POCO X8 device using the iOS launcher. So yes friends, right now there is a iOS launcher available in the Google Play Store, and you can directly download and install in the POCO X8 device. So in case if you want the complete setup of the iOS, do comment below. I'll try to do a video on that one as well, depending on how many comments I receive. As you can see, iOS type, even you can get the control panel, iOS type, even the lock screen as well you can get here. As you can see, the lock screen also is a kind of iOS type as well. So everything is close to iPhone kind of look you do get with using this launcher and different applications. So if you are interested, I can do that kind of video separate as well, but in this video I'll try to focus only on this launcher. What are the different options you do have here? So this is a application which is called Launcher iOS 14, as you can see, which is available in the Play Store as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more future videos as well. As you can see friends, you do have this kind of good widgets where you can add in the home screen. So next is that first thing I did like this clock application. As you can see friends, so this is a completely iOS style of look here. So real-time clock will be going on, as you can see, so which is kind of very good, interesting here. Next is that when you swipe down, do get this kind of search option by default, which is very good. So you can search all the applications at one place, as you can see here. So which is a kind of another advantage. Here you do have this kind of three options where you can select from. So if they are not present in your smartphone, you can actually download directly from the Play Store or directly from the using the web or Google Maps as well. So as you can see here, so this is a very shortcut application which is pretty useful for me most of the time. And next is that having this kind of widgets as well. So by default there will be 3 widgets from the iOS. So let me try to show you. To add the widget, you need to long press on the home screen. So once you are in the home screen mode, as you can see, all the apps will be moving side. So you do get this kind of plus option. So these are the 3 default widgets which came along with the launcher. So apart from that, if you want to add any other widgets, you can just select the application and all the widgets will be displaying here, as you can see, which is very easy and very convenient. So these are most easiest way to select the widget for which type of applications you want. As you can see friends, you do get all the widgets together, so which is very good. And my most favorite part is that having these pictures, as you can see. So you can have 2 pictures or even another 2 pictures in other home screen as well. So that is a kind of good advantage. So you just need to long press this picture and go to here and add. So once you are in there, you can go to the gallery and you can add any wallpaper or any image as well, as you can see here. So which is a kind of very good, interesting picture mode. So this is also another thing which I did like about this launcher. So all the applications mostly I'll use in one folders, as you can see. So easily customizable as well. So if you want to uninstall all the apps, so you just need to long press, and all the apps which can be uninstalled apart from system applications, you will get this kind of into mark as well. So you can directly uninstall one by one applications, which is also another quite interesting feature you can try here. So this is a quick overall review on the iOS 14 launcher using in the POCO X3 device, as you can see friends, which is very good. In case if you are using the POCO X3 phone, try to use this iOS 14 launcher, which is very good as well in my opinion. And even there are shortcuts as well, as you can see here. So even there is hidden apps feature as well. If you want to add the applications, you can do that. As you can see, the app has been hidden as well. So that kind of feature is also there here. That's another good thing. So just give it a go friends. In case if you want to know how to do this iOS control panel and iOS type lock screen as well, so make sure to comment below. I'll try to do the video as well on the iOS type lock screen in case if you are interested. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.